Nick, a man in his 30s, and his wife Gloria had the good fortune to have a goose. They named it Pete. Surprisingly, Pete had an amazing quality of laying a golden egg every day. Both Nick and Gloria imagined that if the Pete can lay golden eggs, it might have more golden eggs inside its stomach. And they thought that if they could get all of it at once, they would get mighty rich very soon. Nick and Gloria decided to kill Pete in their farm itself. To their shock, upon cutting Pete open, they found that its innards were like that of any other goose. There was no gold either. They learned their lesson the hard way. Excess greed can lead to one's downfall.